Missy's Kitchen PEI. I'm Missy and I'm so happy to have you here today. So we are going to make some whipped shortbread. Now I can't imagine going to any Christmas party without shortbreads on a platter. This is a family favorite. I've been making it for so many years and I can't wait to show you my recipe. So let's get to. So what you're going to need to make these whipped shortbreads are flour, softened butter, some icing sugar, vanilla, cornstarch, and I also picked up these cute little sprinkles from the bulk food store. They're red, white, and green, and I think they just add such a nice little festive touch to the top of your shortbread. You do not have to use these if you don't want to. If you want to substitute these and put chocolate on top or icing sugar, that's fine too. Or you could just leave them plain. It's really, really up to you. But I do like the look of these on my cookies. So I have my stand mixer because there is a lot of whipping in the beginning. You can use a hand mixer if you want, but I prefer my stand mixer. And you want your oven at 300 degrees. And we're gonna go ahead and start with the butter. And the icing sugar. And we are going to cream this for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. And we're going to stop and scrape the bowl every once in a while. So we're going to go on low first. And we'll bring it up to about medium. And one more notch. We're just going to scrape the bowl down. And do it again. Okay, so we're going to give this bowl a little bit of a scrape. And then we're going to go ahead and put our vanilla in. Our cornstarch. And our flour. We're going to put this on low to begin with. And then we'll speed it up one. And we'll just let that go for a bit. Okay, our dough is ready, so I'll meet you back over at the workstation. Okay, so this is what our dough looks like. Nice and creamy and fluffy. And we're just gonna roll our cookies into balls. But first, I'm just gonna put a little bit of cornstarch on my hands so that the dough doesn't stick. And you're just gonna roll. And put them on the cookie sheet. This is a beautiful dough to work with. I'm gonna finish these and I will be right back. So I got 25 cookies out of that batch, not bad. So now what you're gonna do next is take your fork, put it in some cornstarch, and you're just gonna push down. Make your cookie nice and round. This will just ensure that your cookies bake evenly. It also puts a nice design in the top of your cookie. Especially if you're adding sprinkles, they'll sit right in those little crevices, hopefully. And I don't remember if I told you, but your oven has to be on 300. And you want to keep your eye on these because you don't want a shortbread to turn brown. You want it to almost stay the color that it is. So we're just going to go ahead and add some sprinkles. I'll finish this and I'll be right back. So here are the cookies with the sprinkles on them. I'm going to put them in the oven now, 300 degrees, maybe about 7 to 8 minutes. I don't want there to be a lot of color on these cookies. I just want them to set up in the oven. So we'll be back when that's done. So here are our cookies out of the oven. They are piping hot, 300 degrees, and I did cook them for 14 minutes, and they look lovely. So I'm gonna let them cool for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna plate them, and we're gonna come back and have a taste test. So here are our whipped shortbread. They look fantastic. They're so cute with the little festive sprinkles on top. And I hope that you try this recipe, and I hope your family loves it as much as my family does. And these will look great on any Christmas platter. Let's give them a taste. They're divine. They're wonderful. Melt in your mouth. They have no browning on them. They're just the perfect little whipped shortbread. Oh, I really hope you try these. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, bye for now. So good.